2020 has had its way with us, and many are wondering if 2021 is going to be more of the same. In this video, I share with you what it's going to take to activate your energy field to get ready for 2021. Are you ready for this? Hi, I'm Binahtiyah from QuantumUpgrade.com, and I'm an energy healer sharing with you practical tips that you can use to help you to get amazing results physically, emotionally, mentally, and spiritually. And if this is something that you're interested in, be sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that bell so you'll be notified whenever I post new videos. Let's begin. As we get ready to close out 2020, let's quickly review all that has passed. Physically, our movements have been curtailed all around the world, and all our relationships have been tested. Emotionally, our fears have intensified about our safety and security, about our present and our future. Mentally, we have been tested, and we are beginning to realize that we have a need to improve on all levels. Spiritually, it has caused us to question what we once believed to be true. We are now more aware of our common goals, our common issues, and our connections. As we move into 2021, let us acknowledge that we are not alone in this, that we have survived 2020, and we have learned resiliency, and we have learned to be grateful. We have learned we all want similar things: love, security, safety, and acceptance. And we've all learned that we must fight and win for the experience that we want to enjoy. 2020 has prepared us for what is to come. Now it's time to plan your best year. It's time to change old thinking about lack and start having an abundance mindset. Now it's time to know how to protect your energy and your family's energy now. All talks about auras, chakras, energy healing, relationship building, and connecting with your soulmate all should have new meaning to you now. Let's put into practice all that we have learned in 2020 and make the next year an amazing year. In this new year, we're going to tap into universal source energy. We're going to make use of the universal laws to rebuild and build new relationships, motivate you physically, emotionally, mentally, and spiritually into a healthy way of life, and transmute all that energy into the life that you want to live. We're going to use source energy to clear your aura, protect your energy field, redefine relationships, balance all energy systems, clear out the old to make way for the new, using your imagination, your visualization to create the present, the future that you want for yourself, your family, and the human family of this world, by taking action to bring it into reality in 2021. Are you ready for this? Then be sure to sign up to our mailing list. Click on the link in the description box below. Like, share, comment, and remember to subscribe to this channel and hit that bell so you'll be notified whenever I post new videos. Thank you, and I'll see you next year.